What is going on YouTube? I am back with another video. I'm over here at the Chevy dealership. I'm here to pick up my steps. Actually, they're going to install them for me along with my tonneau cover. So this is the only ZR2 they have on the lot, and they just got this one this week. Actually, it's a Z71. I'm sorry. And as you can see, this is a really nice truck. The rims on here, and this is a 265/65 R18. So these are 18-inch wheels and tires. I mean, the color on this is like gorgeous. It's a very beautiful color. I mean, the color in person, it's not going to do it justice as it does in person. I mean, this is a gorgeous truck. It already comes with the side assist steps or side steps on it. I mean, of course they have it locked. They have everything locked down here. One thing I do like about it is it does have the spring and bed liner on here. Doesn't have the Chevy logo or the ZR2 imprinted in the back, but that's absolutely fine if you're not really big on that. But I just think this thing just looks sharp. Just kind of want to show you this while I wait for my truck, as far as those side assist steps to be added to it. So along with that, I have the tonneau cover that's being added to the truck too. So they just took me back. I'm over here near the service department. This is something I shot last time I was here, as far as this Corvette, and it's like top notch. So I'm walking back over here to the service department. They still have my truck in the service bay. So it was kind of walking back here, and you can kind of see me sitting right there. They haven't taken me back yet, which is kind of surprising, but I know it's not going to take a very long time to get this thing serviced as far as putting those side assist steps. I've done it before on my other ZR2, but I'd kind of decided to let these guys do it this time around. They can do that. I mean, it was part of the deal that I struck with them as far as them paying for the steps and also the installing them. So I'm in the waiting area where they kind of have some stuff that they're showing off that you can get. This stuff is pretty expensive, but it's very nice. I like the exhaust tips. I have that black one I tell you I got from Amazon, which cost me like 30-40 bucks. But here it's like really crazy. It's like 225 bucks for that small exhaust tip. So yeah, Chevy, GMC always have really cool stuff that they have going on. So I'm just kind of waiting for these guys to push me to the back. So guys, hold on, and I'll continue the video in a second. What's going on YouTube? I'm back. And as you can see, I'm back from the Chevy dealership and I got the steps installed. That makes a huge difference whether anybody believes it or not. If you a little on the short side, which I am, these steps, man, they look absolutely amazing on the truck. I'm very pleased with the way they came out. Again, I've had this done before on my old ZR2, so I knew how good it was going to feel just being able to get in and out of the vehicle without any issues. As you can see, also I have the tonneau cover back on the truck. And again, this is my old tonneau cover that was just like this a couple of months old, so they got it put back on there for me. And of course it fits great because again, when you're talking about the GMC vehicles or the Chevy vehicles, it's pretty much the same vehicle, just with different rear ends, different front ends, and some accessories or amenities in the front cab of it. So I am really stoked about how these steps turned out. I think it looks good on the truck, and I'm gonna get a real good side profile so you guys can see. I mean, this looks really good on the truck. So guys, that's pretty much the video. I wanted you guys to see this portion of it because again, maybe not for you, but someone again a little on the shorter side, we enjoy these steps. So this is a big deal for me, a real big mod. So guys, that is the video. As always, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.